Do 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 dan it. My name is Iron Wolf Non-Stop, and welcome to the Fandango world. Do do fun 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 don 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 dun 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 Fandango do do. This is a way to begin your ending. This is a way for Iron Wolf to compete in the finals of the challenge war. The war has begun. And guess what? It rained, like when I came out to school. For the second later it rained, and then the rain stopped and it came back. It was hard, and the rain came back, and all of a sudden ice came out of the sky. Like, it was raining ice, and I was like, oh shit, brother, maybe we're into the storm too. And my brother was like, oh shit, maybe there will be a tornado coming. And he laughed. I mean, my cousin laughed. It was good times. But this was today when it rained. This was today. It rained like beast. It rained like raining ice. It rained ice. It came down hard. It was like raining hard. And when the rain stopped, thunder came. We heard like a loud thunder sound. Like a loud thunder. It was raining hard. It was raining real hard. Ice came down. Everything came down. Everything. Well, it was like into the storm. It was raining so fucking hard, and thunder came. It was raining so hard, like ice came out of the sky, and then after the rain was stopped, thunder. It was raining like into the storm.